What's going on, guys? Luis here with another video for you, and today we are working on pulling off the old wrap on this quarter panel and re-wrapping it. So I hope you guys enjoy. So we managed to get it on and we're almost done. We just need to cut up the edges here, tuck them in, and we should be good. So thanks for hanging in there. All right, guys, and that's a wrap. I've always wanted to say that. Got it done, check it out. Looks awesome. Hope you guys have a good day. We'll see you on the next one.